People often ask, can I paint my laminate countertops? Laminate countertops can be painted, but they require some specific preparation and specific paint. Several manufacturers make these coatings, and one of the most popular is a kit that allows you to create a faux finish that looks just like granite. The first step is a thorough cleaning with a scouring pad so that the paint will adhere properly. For faux granite painting kits, the primer is usually black, and the best application tools are a simple foam brush and a narrow foam roller. When the primer is dry, you can begin applying the various colors with a natural sponge that will create the illusion of granite. You apply them in a specific order to achieve a specific look, but the pattern of application is very random. You can aid this by occasionally rotating the sponge as you apply the paint. You may also want to add diagonal lines of the darker color to create the illusion of veins that are in natural granite. Then you soften the hard lines with the sponge before leaving it to dry. Finally, you apply several coats of clear sealer to protect the finish and to add a little gloss.